Good day children, today is 24th August and we are at the end of our chapter 19 of Coordinate Geometry online class part 9. Open page 322 of your book. Exercise 19. Now previously I have solved all the sums with you except 9, 10. So today I have already given you as a classwork. Today I am solving out. Just check out whether your classwork and my sum is tallying or not. The sum is the coordinates of vertices of triangle are 2, 4, minus 4, 6, minus 2 and minus 4, 2 respectively. Find the length of the three medians of the triangle. So what is a median? I had explained to you earlier. Median means what? The line joining the midpoint or from the vertices of the triangle. Suppose there are three medians. Now this is a triangle A, B, C. Let A is equal to 2, 4, B is equal to 6 minus 2 and C is equal to minus 4, 2. The medians are all the midpoints of AC, means E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. And the coordinates of midpoint AB is what? A is 2 minus 4, B is 6 minus 2. Midpoint is how much? A2 plus A1 plus A2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So just applying the midpoint, that is, just applying the midpoint, we'll find E. E is how much? 6 plus 2 by 2 and 4 minus 4 plus minus 4, 2 minus 4 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2 and 6 by 2. Alright, that is equal to 4, 3. So we have found the midpoint of E, that is 4, 3. Next, let F be the midpoint of the base BC. Now what is the coordinate of the base BC? Where B is equal to 6 minus 2 and C is minus 4, 2. Midpoints are 6 by 4, 6 by 4. X plus x1 by 2, y plus y1 by 2. 6 here, instead of plus 4 we'll write minus 4 by 2 and minus 2 plus 2 is equal by 2. That is coming to equals to 2. If you calculate 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2 by 2 and plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 by 2. So answer is 1, 0. So what is the midpoint of F? 1, 0. Now again the midpoint of the line AC, that is G. Let G is the midpoint on line AC. The coordinates of the midpoint AC, where A is equal to what? 2 minus 4 and C is equal to minus 4, 2. The midpoints are, just you add the x ordinates or the abscissa and the ordinates. So 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 4 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 2 comma minus, this is coming to, if you calculate it is minus 2 by 2. That is coming to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 divided by 2. If you cancel, you will get minus 1. Minus 2 divided by 2. If you cancel, it will get minus 1. So the midpoint G is minus 1 minus 1. So we have already calculated the midpoints E, F, G. You might give it some other name also, it is applicable. If you give some other name, no problem. It might differ from me, but you should look that the sum is same or not. Now we have to find the length of the median, length of AF, length of CE and length of BG. Now join AF. First we will join this line AF. So what is the length of AF? That is distance formula, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. So just putting the values 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4, 0 whole square. If you calculate the root, you will get 1 plus minus 4 square, that is 1 plus 16, that is equal to root 17. 1 plus 16, you cannot take it out from the root, it will be root 17 units. Now join BG. You join B and G. Alright. Join BG median. BG. So look. BG. The length of BG is how much? 6 minus 2 and this is minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 minus 6 whole square. Distance formula. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Minus minus makes plus, that is equal to plus 2 minus 1 will give you, plus 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So minus 7, 1, that is 49. Minus 7 whole square is 49, 1 whole square is 1, that is equal to root 50. Root 50 means root 25 into 2. From 25 you take out 5. 5 root 2 units. So the length of BG is 5 root 2 units. Now the last length of CE. Length of CE. The length of CE median. Now the last length. Now C is minus 4, 2 and E is 4 minus 3. Alright. So 4 minus distance formula you will apply. 4 minus minus 4 whole square by minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Minus minus will make plus, that is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 square is equal to 64. Minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 5. 5 square is equal to 25. So 64 plus 25 will give you 89 units. Clear, children? So the length of the medians are AF is equal to 17 units. AF length is 17 units. BG length is equal to 5 root 2 units. And CE the length is equal to root 89 units. Number 10. So we have solved number 9. The last sum of the exercise 19. The last sum of the coordinate exercise 19. The sum is the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 4, 3, minus 2, 7 and 0, 1, 0, 11. Alright. Let us calculate the coordinate of its vertices. Look. There are 3 sides. The midpoints are given to you. You have to calculate the vertices. Alright. Midpoints are given to you. You have to calculate the vertices. This is a slightly tricky sum. Not a hard sum, but a tricky sum. Let the triangle have the following coordinates. Let A is equal to x1, y1. B is equal to x2, y2. And C is equal to x3, y3. Let the 3 points, I have just changed the order. This one will be now my G. G is equal to, it is given. G is equal to what? 0, 11. And midpoint E is equal to minus 4, 3. And F is midpoint is 2, 7. G is the midpoint of the line segment AB. E is the midpoint of the line segment BC. And F is the midpoint of the line segment AC. Now we have to find the coordinates. The BC line segment and their midpoints. What is the midpoint formula? We will apply the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1, instead of this, BC means what? B is x2 by 2, C is x3 by 3. So we get x2 plus y3, x1 plus x2 by 2. BC line segment and their midpoints. BC is x2 x3 by 2 and y2 y3 by 2. The coordinates of midpoint is theory of BC is what? x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. AC x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. AB x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now putting the values of the midpoints, we get what? x1 plus x2 by 2, 0. That is the midpoint formula. And y1 plus y2 by 2 by 11. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. y1 plus y2 is equal to 22. You will calculate cross multiplication. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 11, 22. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. Now, next x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 4 and y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 3. If you cross multiply, what you will get? x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. This is your equation number 3. And y2 plus y3 is equal to 3 2s are 6. That is your equation number 4. Next, x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to minus 2. x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 4. y1 plus y3 is equal to 7 divided by 2, cross multiply, it will be y1 plus y3 is equal to 14. That is your equation 6. Now see, if you add these 3, everywhere you will get 2x1, 2x2 and 2x3. If you add these 3, you will get 2y1, 2y2 and 2y3. So, we get which one? We are adding 1, 3 and 5. We are adding 1, 3 and 5. Adding 1, 3, 5. What we are getting? 2x1 plus x2 plus x3. That is equal to 0 plus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So, we will just find it out. 8 minus 4 is 4. From 2, if you reduce 4, it will be 2. So, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. This is your equation number 7. Now, if we add the y side, what we'll get? 2y1, 2y2 and 2y3. So, if we add 2, 4 and 8, 2, 4 and 6 equation number, what we'll get? 2y1 plus y2 plus y3, then equal to 22 plus 6, 22 plus 6 plus 14. 22 plus 6 plus 14, if you add, it is 42. You reduce it by 2, it is 21. So, we are getting y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 21. That is your equation number 8. Now, in this 3, you have got 3 and in everywhere you have 2. So, but just by subtracting from this other 3, you will get the first 3 coordinates. Look how we are getting. Now, we'll solve. From 7, what is 7? x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2. You subtract 1. What is 1? x1, x2 is equal to 0. x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. We will reduce this. What you will get? x3. So x3 is equal to 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. So you first find out that the coordinate of x3 is equal to 2. Now from x7 you subtract 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. What is 3? x2, x3 is equal to 8. Minus 8. So minus 8. 8, when you subtract it, it becomes minus 8. So plus 2 minus 8 will give you minus 6. So we have found out x1. x1 is equal to minus 6. Now from 7 you subtract x5. From 7 you subtract 5. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. And what is 5? x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 4. Minus minus makes plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. So x2 is equal to 6. Now again we will find in the similar manner the y ordinates. We have found out the abscissa curve, we will find out the ordinates. Now sum 8. From 8 you subtract 2. What is 8? y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 21. And what is 2? y1 plus y2 is equal to 22. y1 plus y2 is equal to 22. So minus 22 plus 21 will give you minus 1. So y3 is equal to minus 1 and other things will get cancelled. From 8 you subtract 4. That is y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 21 and 4 is what? 4 is y2 plus y3 is equal to 6. y2 plus y3 is equal to now minus 6 because we are subtracting. Alright, this minus sign will be over here. From 21 if you subtract 6 it is 15. So other things getting cancelled, what will remain? y1. y1 is equal to 15. Similarly from 8 you subtract 6. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 21. y1 plus y3 is equal to 14. If you subtract 14, because you are subtracting, that is minus 14 and up is plus 21. It is plus 7. So y2 is equal to 7. So we have found out all the abscissa and all the ordinates of the triangle ABC. Now we have found x1, y1. It is minus 6, 15. x3, y3, 2 minus 1. x2, y2, 6, 7. So the ordinates of x1, y1, y2, x2, y2, x3, y3 are 6, 15, 6, 7 and 2 minus 1 respectively. Correct, children? The sum is bit lengthier one and bit tricky one. Alright? Now we have completed the 10 sums. Short questions were given to you earlier. Now very short questions. I will solve 2 and 3 I will give at you as your classwork. Today's classwork, again do sum number 9 and 10. These two sums are very important. So again do. Repeat sum number 9 and 10. Alright. Along with it, page 223. Start doing short answer type question, that is 12, 1 to 5. I have solved for you few sums from here so that you can understand how to solve it. But you will have to only solve 2, 3 and 5. If you have any queries, any problem, contact me in this number 9875441516. No, if you contact me in any other number, you won't be entertained. Your number will be blocked. Now, coming to short answer type question. 12.1. C is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. The coordinates of A and C are 6 minus 7 and 5 minus 2. Let us calculate the coordinate of B. Very easy. How will you do? You will just draw the diagram of the circle. It is said that the circle has the center C and the diameter AB. The diameter, only the coordinates of the diameter point B is not given to you. You know the midpoint C is 5 minus 2 and A is 6, 7. Let the coordinate of B be xy. Since we don't know, we will put it xy. Applying midpoint formula, what is it? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We are just putting that 6 plus x and the what is over here, the midpoint is 5 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And the ordinate is, this is the abscissa curve, the ordinate is 7 plus y by 2. Since here it is minus 7, we'll put minus 7 plus y by 2. And what is the midpoint ordinate? Minus 2. We are putting that. Now solve 6 plus y. You cross multiply 5 into 2. That is 10. Now 6 plus x by 2 is equal to 5. 6 plus x is equal to 10. X is equal to, you just minus it, 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. Now y, minus 7 plus y is equal to 2 divided by 2. 2 will be cross multiply. Now ordinate, minus 7 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Or minus 7 plus y is equal to minus 4. Or y is equal to 7 minus 4, or y is equal to 3. The ordinates of the coordinates of B point xy is equal to 4 and 3. Very easy and short sums. Next sum number 4. The point P lies on the line segment AB and it is given to you AP is equal to PB. That is AP is equal to PB. Now we know A is equal to 3 minus 4 and B is equal to minus 5, 2. What is the coordinate of the midpoint Y and X or XY? Let P, coordinate of P is equal to XY. Applying midpoint, we get 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to X, and minus 4 plus 2 by 2 is equal to Y. Just solve the equation. Or 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 2x. Or x is equal to minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Solving this portion from 4, minus 4 plus 2 will give you minus 2. That is equal to, if you cross multiply, is equal to 2y. Or y is equal to minus 2 by 2. Cancel it, you will get minus 1. The coordinates of pxy is equal to minus 1, minus 1. The sums are as easy as water. Give a try sum number 2, 3 and 5. Alright? All the best. Good day. Keep on trying. Any queries, contact me. And we have completed the chapter 19. Next class, we'll start coordinate geometry chapter 20. Thank you, children.